Hello friends, I'm here again with a new class or remaining part of the chapter chemical reaction and equations. We have already covered the two parts, and in these two parts we have done introduction in first part, and in second part we have done type of reactions. In this part we are going to study about two of very important topics. One is rancidity and other is corrosion. We will go with two type of reactions that we have left, which are subtopics in combination and decomposition reactions. First we will quick revise the last class. Type of reactions you all knows: combination reaction, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, oxidation and reduction. Combination reaction is when two reactants combine to form a single product. Decomposition reaction is when single product is broken down into two or more products. Displacement reaction when a highly reactive element displaces a low reactive element or less reactive element from the reaction, from the solution. Double displacement reaction when compounds react by exchange of ions to form two new compounds. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen from a solution or from a reaction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen from a substance or from a reaction. Redox reaction when oxidation and reduction both take place in a single reaction is called redox reaction. Now we will do our first topic of this class, exothermic reaction. Exo, as the word suggests, exo means exit, means and thermic means thermalian, means heat. When heat is evolved or given out or released, this is called exothermic reaction. When heat is evolved from a reaction, the reaction is called exothermic reactions. Like we all respires. What is respiration? Respiration is broken down of complex substances of or food in presence of oxygen into some simpler substances and release of energy. That energy is we are focusing on is heat, means respiration is an exothermic reaction. Like burning of carbon in oxygen is an exothermic reaction because heat is evolved. This exothermic reaction is a part of combination reaction. Why? Because here two reactants combine to form a single product and heat is evolved. Evolved means exit out or given out or released. So by your word, exothermic means exit of heat. Fine. Burning of natural gas is a chemical exothermic reaction. Like CH4 methane, when burns in presence of oxygen, it gives out carbon dioxide, water and energy, heat energy. Like I told you, respiration is an exothermic reaction. Here, carbohydrate burn in presence of oxygen gives out carbon dioxide, water and energy. We will do endothermic reaction. What is endothermic? Exo means exit out. Endo means inside. Means when heat is taken in, it is called endothermic reaction. Those reactions where heat is absorbed or taken in or heat is provided to complete the reaction, this is called endothermic reactions. Like engine of motor vehicles, reaction that take place inside the engines of motor vehicle is called endothermic reaction, because when you provide them energy, then they will move. If you will not provide them energy, it will not move. How? Because they need energy. Likewise, in a bike, when you give them energy in form of fuel, when fuel burns, it gives energy and then the vehicle moves. This is endothermic reactions. All decomposition reactions are endothermic reactions. Photosynthesis is an endothermic reaction. Why? Because photosynthesis, for completing the photosynthesis, sun provides the energy to the leaves. So that external source, what is that external source? That's sun, which provides energy. So photosynthesis is an endothermic reaction. Electrolysis of water. Electrolysis means dividing. I'm telling you in simple words. Splitting of water in hydrogen and oxygen is called electrolysis of water, but in presence of electricity. Means by passing electric current into the water and splitting it into hydrogen and oxygen, it is called electrolysis of water, and that is a endothermic reaction. Hope this is clear to you all. Next, our topic is corrosion. Corrosion. This is really a very simple and easy topic. You all have gone through this topic in your home every day, because corrosion means that I am telling you in Hindi, jung. The iron material all get corroded at some point of time in their lifespan. That powdery substance that fall from those iron rods is called rust, and that rust is a process which is corrosion. Corrosion is the process in which metals are eaten up gradually by the action of air, moisture, or chemical on their surface. Corrosion means when every metal get corroded in presence of, eaten up in presence of air, moisture, or by chemical actions. Corrosion is caused mainly by oxidation of metal by oxygen of air. Rusting is the main form of corrosion. I have given you the formula of rust. That's iron when corroded in presence of oxygen and in presence of water, it gives hydrated iron oxide. That 2Fe2O3.XH2O is the formula of rust. Mind that formula 2Fe2O3.XH2O. Sometimes it is given in your board exam that give the formula of rust. So you have to remain conscious about this reaction, corrosion. Next topic is rancidity. First, we will do how we can prevent the corrosion. Corrosion can be prevented by applying coating. You all knows on iron rods or on iron materials, we coat single or double coating of paint. What is it useful for? It is useful because this coating prevent the direct contact between air and iron. When this direct contact is blocked, then rusting, the process of corrosion, will not take place. And if the rusting of iron will not take place, the lifespan of the iron will be longer. So to increase the lifespan of the iron material, we apply coating of paint on the iron materials. Next, rancidity. Just like oxidation, rancidity is same when oily food material is come in contact with air or moisture, it gives a foul smell. That foul smell is an indication of rancidity, means spoiling of food. Everybody knows what is spoiling of food, right? So the condition produced by aerial oxidation of fat and oil in food marked by unpleasant smell and taste is called rancidity. We all face the same problem in our houses when the food that remains after our meal is not kept in refrigerator, get it starts giving a foul smell. That foul smell is rancidity. Why this foul smell came out from the food? Because the oil or the fat present in the food get reacted with the oxygen present in the atmosphere. When this react with the oxygen, it gives out smell, that is foul smell, and the process is called rancidity. Okay, we will do lot of things to prevent our food from rancidity. What are the precautions that we usually take in our homes or in big food processing industries to prevent the food from rancidity? Prevention of rancidity. Rancidity can be prevented by adding antioxidant to food containing fat and oils. Second, rancidity can be prevented by packing fat and oil containing food in nitrogen gases, like all you knows, your chips wrappers, your chips packets were what? You all have felt that it's highly flumpy. Okay, so what is inside? That's nitrogen gas. Third part, rancidity can be prevented by keeping food in refrigerator. You all have done this prevention act at your home at some point of time. Rancidity can be prevented by storing food in airtight container, like all knows our pickles were stored in airtight container, like our jams were stored or are stored in airtight container just to prevent the rancidity. Next, rancidity can be prevented by storing food away from light, like you all knows that again we are taking an example of pickles. We will not expose our pickles to the sunlight, because it get corroded, or rancidity is the proper word that we use for food. Fine. So in this slide, in this class, this is our last topic for the present, for the chapter. Okay, then on your request we will do all our remaining chapters in English, right? And its explanation will also be in English. I know some of the students which are from Hindi medium will find it difficult, but I'll try to give them an extra slide for this. And guys, please, if you all are liking our effort to teach you in this difficult time, then please like, share and subscribe our videos, and please do not forget to press the bell icon to get proper and timely notification of the videos. Thank you.